Hey, do you want to know how to make money from selling t-shirts online? Well, it's Michael Dela Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start making money from selling t-shirts online with absolutely no upfront cost. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Okay, so here we go. So I'm absolutely excited to show you how you can start making money from selling t-shirts online with absolutely no upfront cost. And I believe that anybody can do this. So if I can do this, anybody can. You don't have to be a techie person to really start designing and making money online. So let me show you how this works. So the first thing you want to do is go to printify.com, and pretty much, as you can see, Printify allows you to create and sell custom products. It's 100% free to use. It has 300 plus high quality products, and it has the largest global print network. Okay, so that's so cool about Printify. And also, they let you create and sell custom products, but they won't charge you until somebody has bought it. So they won't print out the products or charge you until somebody has bought it. So it's absolutely no upfront cost, and that's what's so cool about it. So this is how it really works. Uh, Basically, you want to, pick a product, right? So they have over 300 products such as t-shirts, mugs, socks, and home accessories. So it's not only t-shirts; they also have other things. And but we're actually gonna just work on t-shirts today and how you can start designing. Okay, so they have that. So you pick a product, you customize it, you view the sample, right, and then you publish it. And you create a store, and I'm gonna go over that pretty soon. But let's go ahead and go over the design. So once you have picked a product, a t-shirt, basically what you're gonna is gonna look like something like this, right? So I already have a t-shirt right here. Okay, I have a t-shirt right here. So basically, this t-shirt, when you pick up t-shirt, basically what I did, I went to this website. I'm going to show you very quick, and I created a design that's going to be on that, on that shirt. This one says woke up like this, hashtag, right? Hashtag woke up like this on that shirt. Okay, so this is really simple to do. So once you pick the t-shirt, what you want to pay attention to is the recommended resolution right here, which this one for this shirt is 4500 by 5100. And then you want to go to a website called this is step number 2. So you want to go to this website called canva.com, as you can see right here, canva.com. And you want to once you create an account, if you don't have one, what you want to do, you want to create a custom size design, right? So once you go there, you're going to input the recommended resolution. So again, right here, it was 4500 by 5100. Okay, so you're going to input that on Canva. Right, once you input that, then you're going to hit create design. And then it's going to take you to a page like this. This was blank before, so it's going to start with a blank page. What I did, I simply went to where it says templates right here on the side, and then I click on t-shirt designs, and I simply just dragged these designs right here. So you can be a little creative with them. This is just little templates. So for example, I took some of this design. Some of them are free, some of them are not free. So you just want to, when you hover the mouse, you're going to see that they say free on it. And then you simply want to, for example, this one, I can just drag this one over here. And then, and then I can add little elements to it. So I can add this one right here, like some kind of cat lover next to it. It's kind of funny image. That guy looks like he's gonna hit him for loving cats, right? But yeah, you can just play around with it. You can add little elements here, little graphics, and basically just be creative. Use your creativity. If I wanted to add, let's say, a star on here, like that, I can add that. It says this is my t-shirt, right? And this is really cool, right? So then what you do, once you have your design, you want to hit download, and you want to make sure that you download it as a PNG because it's the highest quality. As you can see, it says high quality image. You want to have the highest quality as possible, so PNG is the highest quality. And then you just want to hit download. Once you download to this computer, your next step is to go back to Printify, you want to go to Printify and you want to upload the design to Printify, and then it's going to show up on here. Okay. So again, that's really simple, right? Really simple stuff. And then all you want to do is just save your product. Once you have saved your product, okay, I'm just going to hit save on here. Then you want to, if you haven't, then you want to kind of like set up your store. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and set up a store. So basically you're just going to go to my account, right? You want to go to my account, and basically you want to set up your payment method, right? Or a payment type. And then you want to set up the taxes. So when you get paid, you know, depending on what country you are, if you're watching this from, you know, from a different country, you just want to like look at what the tax, you know, laws are in your country. But you want to set this up, you know, for you to get paid. And then you want to go to, you know, my stores, right? And you want to pretty much, let me go click on it very quick. So once you hit my store, you want to click on add new store. I already have one on there. And then you want to connect it to a platform. So you hit connect, and then the store will be generated, and then you will be good to go. That's about it. Now, what you want to do, you want to connect or add a platform, you know, add that store to a platform. Best places to, you know, to sell your t-shirts are on Instagram, where you can actually add a link to your bio. So basically you can go to Instagram and add that link that it generates from the store to your bio, or you can use Pinterest, where you can actually post your link to your store on every post. Okay, so there you have it. So once somebody hits your link and buys something, guess what? You and Printify will get paid. All right, with that being said, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video all the way through. And if you got value from it, please make sure you leave me your comments and hit like in this video, because it helps it out. And other than that, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you would like to know what is my number one recommendation to making a full-time income on the internet, hit that link below is the first link, and just get all the full details. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.